Today I will introduce you cut-off saw. Hi, welcome to our live show. Now we are showing you MJ276 cut-off saw. This machine is mainly used for rapid cutting of various board, round logs, and square wood. We use air pressure for pressing device, which is high cutting efficiency, good safety performance, and easy to operate. The saw blade is pneumatically controlled to move up and down. And we use several motors to push the wood forward. We use air pressure for pressing device, which is high cutting efficiency, good safety performance, and easy to operate. MJ276 is equipped with roller feeding table at both ends. You can see the front and the rear feeding table is made of roller. And movable positioning blocks, ensuring safe and convenient feeding. The main motor power of this machine is 7.5 kilowatts. Maximum working width of this machine is 520 millimeter, while the thick is about 40 millimeter. The maximum working thickness of this machine is 200 millimeter, while the width is about 200 millimeter. Like square wood, the maximum you can cut off is 200 millimeter. The maximum diameter of this machine you can install the saw blade is 600 millimeter, and the spindle's diameter is 30 millimeter. The infit stand size of this machine is 1.2 meters long, and the outfit stand size of this machine is 1.5 meters long. It's suitable for cutting various materials like splitting board and solid wood and NDF board. You can see here. The effort of the cut off is very smoothful. Let's check some detail of this machine. Here is the control panel of this machine. It's bilingual in English and Chinese with several switches for each component, and it's very easy to operate and equipped with variable frequency speed regulation. saw blade's up and down speed can be controlled by this. This controls saw blade's up speed. This controls saw blade's down speed. And the saw blade can be electrically up and down with a ruler for reference. Here is the ruler. The saw blade can maximum up. If you cut a very high wood, you can adjust the saw blade to higher. If you cut only very thin the wood, you can adjust the saw blade to downward. Here is the pedal to control the saw blade start. You only by pressing the pedal with both hands, then the machine can start. If you want to use this machine with one hand, it cannot start. You push only one of the pedal, the machine cannot be started. And if you want to use one hand to control both pedals, that also cannot be start the machine. Only you use the two hands to press the pedal, then the machine can be started. It's for ensure the security of workers. And we have an adjustable lifting foot for feeding table. We use roller for feeding table. It's more strength safe. It's very easy to move. You see? It's safe strength. Rear feeding table with measurements and positioning ruler. Here are the rulers. Let's check closely. Here are the rulers, so that you can control the finished size of the wood. And this, you can block the wood, then you can know what the finished size of your wood. We also have a backboard of the main body. It's adjustable. Let's check back of the machine. The backboard can be adjustable. Here, the backboard of the machine can be adjustable. You can lose the screw. One, two. Total 2 screws. Lose the 2 screws of the backboard, and then you can move it. We have 2 dust outlet ports of this machine. One is up here. The second one is down. Below the machine. And if you ship by LCL, you should use wooden package. If you ship by container, you can save your money and use the normal package. Hello, welcome to our live show. Now we are introduce you cross cut-off saw. This one is pneumatic cut-off saw. Later I will introduce you CNC cross cut-off saw. Now we are showing you pneumatic one. The CNC one is behind the pneumatic one. Over there. Let's move to CNC one. CNC one model is MJ601. This machine is mainly used for rapid cutting of various board, round logs, and square wood. We use air pressure for pressing device, which is high cutting efficiency, good safety performance, and easy operation. The saw blade is pneumatically controlled to move up and down. And we use several motors to push the wood forward. The PLC automatically calculates the size and cut the wood. The saw blade automatically extends out to cut the wood and then automatically retracts. The push plate returns and repeats the operation for the next working cycle. The feeding is servo driven and we use gear rack for feeding, which is more stable and efficient. It has the advantages of high efficiency, automatic control, safety, and reliability. The operation is simple and easy. The working efficiency is more than 8 times that of ordinary cutting saws. And the labor intensity of operators is greatly reduced. It is an efficient wood processing machine. This is fantastic CNC cross cut-off saw. Let's check some detail of this machine. As you can see, this is the control panel of MJ601. The control panel is bilingual in Chinese and English, with several switches for each component. With PLC system, it's easy to operate. The sawing size can be input as needed, which is safe and efficient, and suitable for use in factories that require batch cutting. And we have fully enclosed cover design. It's good looking, so you can't see inside of the wood. machine. If without the cover, you see it's not beautiful, right? And with the cover, it's more safe operation and good dust removal effect. Let's check inside of the machine. Here, you can see this tool is photoelectric induction limiter. It ensures accurate positioning and safe operation. This tool. And we adopt the clapping device adopt double clapping design, which claps the plates sideways when sawing to prevent the wood from running off during feeding. This tool is clapping device. And we also have two auxiliary buffalo. We have two auxiliary buffalo. This one is one in the front, and the second one is rear of the at the rear feeding table. When feeding, it can keep the wood close to the board, close to the backboard, to prevent the wood from shifting and running off during feeding. The push hand of this machine is driven by servo motor with fast feeding speed. And gear rack transmission. You can see here the gear rack transmission. It's high positioning accuracy, arrow within 0.1 millimeter, and long service life. The guide rail adopt high precision linear square rail with a large contact area. The rack adopt helical teeth, tight bite, and small running arrow. This is pusher hands servo motor. You can make the feeding speed very fast. Let's check if we can see the electric component. We use Sinter PLC, Tangent, Delta, Honeywell, Gent, electrical components to ensure the service life of the machine. And the main motor of this machine adopts a 7.5 kilowatts pure copper core motor, which has stable operation, high power, and long service life. The precision spindle is matched with high quality alloy saw blades, which has smooth sawing, few burrs, and high vertically. The feeding table will be unpacked before leaving the factory to save transportation costs. It's very easy to install and operate. We will send you a video to show you how to install the feeding table. It's no need to worry about the installation. And we totally have 2 dust outlet port. One is up and one is behind the machine. The working thickness of this machine is 10 to 100 millimeter. And about the working width of this machine is 60 to 200 millimeter. The maximum sewing length of this machine can be customized. You can buy the feeding table according to your wood size. We have 2 meters, 4 meters, and 6 meters long feeding table. So that depends on you, depends on what you need. The feeding speed of this machine is 10 to 35 meters per minute. Sewing error of this machine is minus or plus 0.3 meters. Hi, welcome to our live show. Now we will introduce you CNC cutoff saw. If you need some smaller cutoff saw, we also have MJ276 pneumatic cross cutoff saw. We're back to CNC one. The saw shaft rotation speed of this machine is 3,500 RPM. The feeding servo motor of this machine is 0.75 watt. 0.75 kilowatt. And saw shaft motor power of this machine is 7.5 kilowatt. We use pressure for this machine is 5 to 6 kilogram per centimeters square. For the dust collection port, the diameter of dust collection port is 100 millimeter. So you use 4-inch pipe. And the weight of this machine is 1 ton. This machine have 1,000 kilograms. This machine with 4 meters feeding table. If you want 2 meters feeding table, then it will be the weight will be lower. If you want 6 meter feeding table, the weight will be higher. MJ601 is mainly used for rapid cutting of various board, round logs, and square wood. We use air pressure for pressing device, which is high cutting efficiency, good safety performance, and easy push the wood forward. The PLC automatically calculates the size and cuts the wood. The saw blade automatically extends out to cut the wood and then automatically retracts. The push plate returns and repeats the operation for the next working cycle. The feeding is servo driven and we use gear rack for feeding, which is more stable and efficient. It has the advantages of high efficiency, automatic control, safety, and reliability. The operation is simple and easy. The working efficiency is more than 8 times that of ordinary cutting saw. And the labor intensity of operators is greatly reduced. It is an efficient wood processing machine. Hi, welcome to our live show. Now we are introduce you CNC cut-off saw. If you have any question about woodworking machine, you can leave a message. Or you can just ask me in the live show. The control panel of this machine is bilingual in Chinese and English with separate switches for each component. We use PLC system. It's easy to operate. The sawing size can be input at least as needed, which is safe and efficient, and suitable for use in factories that require batch cutting. Photoelectric induction limiter ensures accuracy, accurate positioning, and safe operations. That 2 yellow spot is photoelectric induction limiter. And we adopt the clapping device adopt a double clapping design, which claps the wood sideways while when sawing to prevent the wood from running off during feeding. We also have 2 auxiliary buffalo. We have 2 auxiliary buffalo. When feeding, it can keep the wood close to the board to prevent the wood from shifting and running off during feeding. We have fully enclosed cover design, which is beautiful appearance, safe operations, and good dust removable effect. The pusher hand is driven by servo motor. Pusher hand. This is the servo motor of pusher hand with fast feeding speed. And we have gear rack transmission. Very high positioning and accuracy. Error within 0.1 millimeter. The surface life is longer. The guide rail adopt high precision linear square wheel with a large contact area. The rack adopts helical teeth, tight bite, and small running error. This is the gear rack. We use Sinter PLC system and tangent, delta, Honeywell, Gent, electrical components to ensure the service life of the machine. The main saw motor adopts a 7.5 kilowatt pure copper core motor, which has stable operation, high power, and long service life. We choose all good components to make the machine to make sure that we can offer a long service life. Now you can see this is the installation of the MJ601. It's very high precision. The precision spindle is matched with high quality alloy saw blades, which has smooth sawing, few burrs, and high verticality. The feeding table will be unpacked before leaving the factory to save transportation cost. It's easy to install and operate. The main body, we have two dust outlet ports. One is upside the machine, and the other one is back of the machine. The working thickness of this machine is 10 to 100 millimeter. The working width of this machine is 60 to 200 millimeter. Maximum sewing length of this machine can be customized. Usually there are 2 meters, 4 meters, and 6 meters. The maximum cutting cross section of this machine is 100 minus 100 and 200 millimeter. The feeding speed of this machine is 10 to 35 meters per minute. The sewing error of this machine is 0.3 millimeter. Saw blade size of this machine is 450 millimeter for diameter, and the spindle diameter of this machine is 30 millimeter. Saw shaft rotation speed of this machine is 3,500 RPM. The feeding servo motor of this machine is 750 watt. The pressure we use to this machine is 5 to 6 kilogram per centimeter square. The dust collection port of this machine is 100 millimeter. Which means 4 inches. Welcome to our live show. This is Diana from PINLIANG Machinery. Now we are introduce you CNC cross-cut saw. The weight of this machine is 1 ton. Let's check some video that how cross-cut saw work. Hi, welcome to our live show. ACAD software, 480 volt. Oh, I'm sorry. I just watched the phone. Can you leave a message to our chat? We're still in the live show. ACAD software. I need to ask our technical. Hi, welcome to our live show. Now we'll introduce you the CNC cross cutout saw. If you have any question about woodworking machine, you can leave a message at our chat. Now the video is showing you the CNC. Oh, sorry. Before that was CNC. This one is pneumatic one. Welcome to our chat. This is Dinah from PINLIANG Machinery. Okay, chat. Next time. And see you next time. Bye-bye. Welcome to our live show. If you have any question about woodworking machine, you can ask me in the chat.